Okay, there's a lot of information about removing the seal and the O-ring from the front pulley if you happen to get a leak. And as you can see, my threads and splines are fine. My sprocket that I took off is fine. And this is the new seal to go on, and I've got a new O-ring also. But what was confusing was looking at this where the O-ring was at, and I thought mine had actually been just eaten up, because this collar that's talked about was actually seized up a little bit and I couldn't budge it. Spoke with Bobby Dyer and Tony from Jeanette's, and they assured me just to be patient with it and keep working with it, and it would come off, and it did. It popped off like a rocket. As you can see now, it just slides right off, and that's all clean. I took some triple alt steel wool and made sure there was no rust inside, cleaned that. You can see where the seal's been riding on the outside of it, and that's really smooth. It's just more polished. But everything looks like it's going to be fine. And if you can see where my fingernail's at, that little dark line right behind the splines, that's where the O-ring was at, and that's where I'll be replacing a new one. So hopefully that clarifies for some people, to give you the confidence to tear it apart. I wasn't sure what to do with mine, but I said I was going to give it a try. And thanks to Bobby and Tony for giving me some heads up.